In this video, I will show you how to use a Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you want to come across to the official website, which is store.supercell.com. From here, if you're not already, you want to log in by coming up to the top right hand corner and pressing the login button to log in to your account. Once that's done, you're going to see a number of games by Supercell, and you can see the Brawl Stars store here. So you want to click to go to the Brawl Stars store. What you want to do next is choose what you want to purchase using your Paysafecard. So for example, let's take the Brawl Pass Plus. So I'm going to click onto it and click this icon here to add this to my cart. Now once that's done, you're going to get your cart summary here. You want to come across and press the checkout button just here. And from here, what you're going to want to do is tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then if you do have Paysafe available, it's not currently available in all countries, but if you do have the option for Paysafe, you're going to see the option choose Paysafe here. What you can do as well, if you have a Paysafe MasterCard, you can go ahead and select the credit or debit card option. You would simply go ahead and fill out your Paysafe MasterCard details in here. Once that's done, come down and click to pay the amount you want to pay. And that's going to go ahead and complete your purchase. And that is how to use the Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.